Welcome guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can pair your JBL Flip Essential with your Android device. So at the first we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android device, then enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and right now we have to move simply to our speaker. So you have to rotate and find this power button. You have to click on it once. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see, in my case, this power button is blinking on the blue, speaker is making a sound. It means that we are in the pairing mode automatically. So after a few seconds, this speaker will appear right here on this pairing list. But if you have any problems and this Bluetooth icon is not blinking, so you have to click once on this Bluetooth icon, on this one, to move your speaker to the pairing mode. Okay, so let's put it like that. Let me just refresh the list because I cannot spot the speaker. Okay, it's right here. As you can see, when you cannot find on the available devices list, just simply refresh the list or just pull like that, or power off and power on and the Bluetooth back. So select your speaker from the list, accept the pairing request, and as you can see and also as you can hear, we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.